Teledyne FLIR OEM has announced a collaboration with SYPAQ Systems, one of Australia's leading sovereign drone manufacturers, to integrate the NDAA-compliant and ITAR-free Boson registered thermal infrared IR camera into the new CorvoX small unmanned aerial system SUAS. The system is under contract for delivery to the Australian Army in December 2025 as part of the Australian Defence Force DEF 129 SUAS program. Advanced thermal capabilities. The CorvoX thermal drone is configured with the Corvo Guarda 70DN-EO/IR payload, featuring a 640x 512 resolution boson sensor that delivers thermal imaging performance for reconnaissance and surveillance operations. According to the manufacturer, the boson provides world-leading thermal imaging performance, seeing through darkness, smoke, and most fog. The thermal sensor pairs with an electro-optical EOS sensor within a two-axis mechanical system equipped with advanced stabilization algorithms for geo-lock, object detection, and moving target tracking, capabilities essential for dismounted soldier operations. Performance and portability. Designed for hand-thrown or ground VTOL takeoff. The lightweight CorvoX thermal drone weighs less than 4.4 pounds 2 kilograms and features a 32.3-inch 82-centimeter wingspan. The system achieves flight endurance up to 50 minutes and maximum speeds of 62 miles per hour 100 kilometers per hour, while maintaining class-leading performance in extreme weather with wind resistance up to 35 miles per hour 55 kilometers per hour. Its innovative thrust-vectored vertical takeoff and landing VTOL configuration reduces operator workload during deployment. AUKUS collaboration focus. Amanda Holt, CEO and Managing Director of SYPAQ Systems, highlighted the strategic significance of the collaboration, stating, "The Thermal by FLIR program represents a natural evolution of our commitment to delivering world-class sovereign defense capabilities globally." The boson integration into our CorvoX platform exemplifies how strategic collaborations between Australia, the United Kingdom, and the United States AUKUS nations can accelerate the development and delivery of advanced technologies into the hands of the warfighters. Jared Ferrado, Vice President of Product Management at Teledyne FLIR OEM, emphasized the operational advantages. SYPQ's commitment to sovereign manufacturing and secure, high-volume supply chains aligns with our mission to enable innovative, market-leading thermal infrared technology worldwide. Upcoming exhibition. SYPAQ will showcase the CorvoX and Corvo Guarda 70DN payload at Indo-Pacific 2025 in Sydney, November 4th-6, 2025, at the Victorian Government Pavilion No. 3F92. More information about Teledyne FLIR is available here. More information about SYPAQ is available here. About Teledyne FLIR OEM. Teledyne FLIR OEM, a Teledyne Technologies company, is the world's largest volume manufacturer of ITAR-free and NDAA-compliant infrared IR sensor and camera modules. As a vertically integrated supplier, Teledyne FLIR OEM delivers thousands of thermal imaging modules and related software tools daily for defense, automotive, uncrewed, professional, and artificial intelligence applications designed to improve decision support and situational awareness. Teledyne FLIR OEM enables life-changing thermal sensing so the world can do and see more.